Best drone. Looking for the best drone with a camera? You're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or just want to capture amazing aerial footage, choosing the right drone can make a big difference. In this video, we're checking out 5 of the best drones you can consider right now, from affordable beginner-friendly models to more advanced options with 4K cameras, GPS, gimbal stabilization, smart tracking, and impressive flight times. I'll break down what makes each drone stand out, along with a few limitations you should know before buying. So if you're looking for the best drone for your needs, stick around, because we're starting with number 5. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. Color: gray. Weight: 249 g. Category: GPS camera drone. If you're looking for a compact GPS drone that doesn't feel overly complicated, the Potensic Atom SE is worth a look. It weighs 249 grams, folds down for easier carrying, and comes with 3 batteries in this Fly More combo. The biggest highlight is the camera. You get 4K video at 30 frames per second, 12MP photos, and electronic image stabilization. The camera can also tilt from +20 to -90 degrees, giving you more flexibility when framing shots. Another useful feature is GPS-assisted flight, including automatic return to home, follow me, waypoint, and circle flight modes. The brushless motors are designed for stable flying, while sport mode can reach up to 16 meters per second. The 3-battery setup is especially practical, with a claimed total flight time of up to 93 minutes. The charging hub can charge 3 batteries in parallel. Pros: 4K EIS camera with 12MP photos. Lightweight, foldable design. 3 batteries and parallel charging hub. Cons: micro SD card is not included. 4 km transmission is a maximum rated range. Wind performance can vary with conditions. Specs and configurations. Camera: 4K EIS, 12MP. Max speed: 16 meters per second. Transmission: up to 4 kilometers. Battery: 3 included. Flight time: up to 93 minutes combined. Motor: brushless. Weight: 249 g. Modes: video, normal, sport, beginner. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K Drone. Color: gray. Weight: 246 g. Category: camera drone. The DJI Mini 4K is the kind of drone that makes aerial photography feel approachable right from the first flight. It's compact, weighs just 246 grams, and is designed with beginners in mind without giving up the features most people actually want. What stands out most is the 4K camera paired with a true 3-axis gimbal. Instead of relying only on digital stabilization, the gimbal keeps footage smooth and steady, which makes a noticeable difference when recording landscapes or family trips. Flying it is also straightforward. GPS positioning helps it hover accurately, and one-tap takeoff and landing make those first flights much less stressful. Features like return to home and quick shots add extra convenience when you're still learning. The drone is rated for level 5 wind resistance, so it handles moderate wind better than many ultralight models. With the included battery, flight time is rated at up to 31 minutes. Pros: 4K camera with mechanical 3-axis gimbal. Lightweight and beginner-friendly. GPS safety features and quick shots. Cons: only 1 battery in the standard package. DJI Fly app must be downloaded from DJI's website on Android. No obstacle avoidance sensors. Specs and configurations. Camera: 4K UHD, 12MP. Gimbal: 3-axis mechanical. Weight: 246 g. Flight time: up to 31 minutes. Transmission: up to 10 kilometers HD video. Wind resistance: level 5, up to 38 kilometers per hour. Motor: brushless. Storage: micro SD. Number 3. Loiley 2K HD FPV Drone. Color: black-orange. Weight: 1.1 pounds. Category: beginner camera drone. If you're new to drones and want something simple to learn with, the Loiley 2K HD FPV Drone focuses on beginner-friendly controls without making things overly complicated. The camera records in 2K resolution and has a remotely adjustable angle up to 90 degrees. You can connect your smartphone over Wi-Fi to see a live view while flying. for basic aerial photos and casual videos, that gives you a fun way to experiment with different angles. Flight controls are designed for beginners too. One key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and optical flow positioning can make the drone easier to manage. It also supports speed adjustment and 360-degree flips for a little extra fun. The foldable design makes it convenient to carry, and the package includes 2 rechargeable batteries with a claimed combined flight time of around 26 minutes. Propeller guards and spare blades are also included. Pros: beginner-friendly flight controls, adjustable 2K camera with FPV viewing, 2 batteries and portable carrying bag. Cons: camera quality is aimed more at casual use. Wi-Fi FPV range is not officially specified. Flight performance can vary in outdoor wind. Specs and configurations. Camera, 2K HD. Still resolution, 2.2 MP. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Flight features, altitude hold, headless mode, optical flow. Special features, 360 degrees flip, auto landing. Battery, 2 included. Combined flight time, approximately 26 minutes. Design, foldable. Material, plastic. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. Color, gray. Weight, 245 g. Category, GPS camera drone. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo takes a surprisingly serious approach to aerial photography while keeping the drone itself under 249 grams. At just 245 grams, it's compact enough to carry easily, but the feature set goes well beyond basic beginner flying. The camera is the main attraction here. It uses a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor to capture 48 MP photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second with HDR. A 3-axis gimbal helps keep footage steady, while PLEGBLE gives creators more flexibility when editing. There's also plenty to experiment with. AI Track supports spotlight, follow, and parallel tracking, while AI Night Shot is designed for improved nighttime footage. You also get vertical shooting, panoramic photos, dolly zoom, cine roll, slow motion, and quick shots. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, with a claimed total flight time of up to 96 minutes. The included PTD1 controller adds a 5.5-inch 1080p touchscreen, so you don't need to rely on a phone for the live view. Pros: 48 MP photos and 4K HDR video. 3-axis gimbal with AI tracking features. 3 batteries and built-in screen remote. Cons: PTD1 controller is only compatible with Atom 2. 10 km transmission is a maximum rated figure. Advanced camera features may take time to learn. Specs and configurations. Camera, 48 MP, 4K per 30 frames per second HDR. Sensor, 1/2-inch Sony CMOS. Gimbal, 3-axis. Transmission, up to 10 kilometers. Flight time, up to 96 minutes with 3 batteries. Controller, PTD1 with 5.5-inch FHD touchscreen. Weight, 245 g. Special modes, AI Track, AI Night Shot, vertical shooting, quick shots, dolly zoom. Number 1. PLEGBLE PL 515 4K drone. Color, black. Weight, 0.12 kilograms. Category, beginner RC camera drone. The PLEGBLE PL 515 is designed for beginners who want a lightweight camera drone with straightforward controls and a few fun extras. It weighs about 120 grams and has a foldable design, making it easy to carry in the included storage bag. For imaging, you get a 4K camera with an adjustable 90-degree lens and image stabilization. The camera uses a shock-absorbing mount to help reduce unwanted movement, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows FPV viewing on a compatible smartphone. Flying is kept fairly simple with altitude maintenance, speed adjustment, and one-key style beginner controls. The brushless motors are another useful addition, offering better efficiency and durability than traditional brushed motors. There's also a propeller guard for added protection during learning. The package includes 2 batteries, with a claimed combined flight time of up to 32 minutes. USB charging adds convenience, although the listed charging cable is micro USB. Pros: 4K camera with adjustable 90 degrees lens. Brushless motors and altitude hold. 2 batteries with up to 32 minutes claimed flight time. Cons. FPV transmission range is not officially specified. Camera output quality may be better suited to casual use. Listed maximum control range is only 100 meters. Specs and configurations. Camera, 4K. Still resolution, 8.3 MP. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Control range, up to 100 meters. Battery, 2 included. Flight time, up to 32 minutes combined. Motor, brushless. Features, 360 degrees flip, foldable design, speed adjustment. Storage, SD card.